what the heck is a manual VA loan approval?
What the hell is that?
And can you even get one? I'm gonna break that all down in this video, but first, a manual VA loan approval, what is it? Every loan, conventional FHA, VA, requires an automated loan approval. If you don't receive that on a VA loan, so what they call a refer, you can actually get a manual one, which depending on that situation, you may be able to get it approved for the VA loan even without it. Keep in mind, this all depends on the individual underwriter. So I'm gonna give you the general parameters, and then depending on who you're working with, they may be more or less aggressive on VA loans, though I tend to be the most aggressive that I know of. So a manual VA loan, number one, it's not going to take into account credit score. So it could be a 550 or a 450, but it is going to look at the credit history of the last 12 months. Are there any negative payments, accounts, anything like that? If there is, it's going to kick you out of getting approved for a manual VA loan. So you've got to have perfect credit history for the last 12 months. You're going to have to document your housing, which is your rent. Renting from an apartment complex or from an individual. Living with family would kick you out of this. Max debt ratio. They're going to say that's 41%. You can go over that if you're showing that you have more than enough needed residual income. In theory, about 1.25%. Residual income being the leftover income that you have as a vet after all your expenses. Now, there are compensating factors that an underwriter may want to see. Are you putting down a larger down payment than, let's say, 0%? Do you have additional money in the bank for reserve? How long have you been on your job? Are you on fixed income? Are you 100% disabled? So all of these things come into play when knowing if you can get a manual VA loan, and you can. Keep in mind, some lenders are very good at these and some are not. Me personally, I'm great at these. We do them all the time, and I would love to help you if you're dealing with this situation. So if you got it denied for a VA loan, ask the lender, hey, can I get approved for a manual VA loan? And these are the parameters you need to know. Hope you found that information helpful. If you did, I'd love to be your lender, and stick around for this next video. I think you're gonna like it. Thanks, guys.